We'll guide you through how to add grain in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Project Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to add grain in Premiere Pro, so the project can be easily recognized later. After entering the project name, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer so that all related files are organized in the correct folder. Once everything is ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the Premiere Pro editing interface. Next, click File on the top menu to begin importing the media that you want to edit. From the drop-down menu, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the media file you want to use in the project, then click Open to import it into Premiere Pro. After the media file appears in the project panel, drag the media clip from the project panel onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip into an existing sequence. This clip will serve as the base footage where the grain effect will be applied. Once the clip is positioned on the timeline, go to the Effects panel, which contains various video effects that can be applied to your footage. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Noise to quickly locate the noise effect. When the noise effect appears in the search results, drag the noise effect onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it to your clip. After the effect has been applied, go to the Effect Controls panel, where you can adjust the settings for the applied effect. Scroll down through the available controls until you find the Noise section. In this section, locate the amount of noise parameter, which controls the intensity of the grain effect on the video. Adjust the amount of noise value according to your preference to determine how strong or subtle the grain effect appears. Increasing the value will produce more visible grain, while lowering the value will create a softer effect. Review the result in the program monitor to make sure the grain effect looks the way you want.